Unlocking the mystery of lacking the energy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard but could be wondering about its exact meaning and usage. Yes, we're talking about lacking the energy. It's a phrase that pops up in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help you express your feelings more accurately. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. When we say someone is lacking the energy, we're talking about a state where a person feels they do not have enough physical or mental strength to perform tasks or engage in activities. This phrase is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts. It's not just about being tired. It's about a deeper level of fatigue or absence of motivation that makes it hard to get moving or thinking. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. After a long week at work, I'm just lacking the energy to go out tonight. Despite wanting to finish reading her book, she was lacking the energy to read another chapter. He wanted to join the marathon training but has been lacking the energy since he started his new diet. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe physical tiredness, lack of motivation, or even a temporary state of mental exhaustion. Understanding synonyms can help you enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few: fatigued, drained, burned out, exhausted, weary. Each of these words can be used in similar contexts but might carry slight nuances in meaning, emphasizing either more on the physical or mental aspect of tiredness. Understanding and using the phrase, lacking the energy, can add depth to your conversations and help you express your state of mind more precisely. Whether you're feeling physically drained or mentally exhausted, knowing how to convey your feelings in English is a valuable skill. We hope this video has illuminated this common but important phrase for you. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.